Number 4, the price of a condominium is $87,000. The bank requires a 5% down payment and 1 point at the time of closing. The cost of a condominium is financed with a 30-year fixed rate mortgage at 9.5%. Okay. The first thing they ask us to find is the down payment. They want 5% of the 87,000 here. So 5% of the 87,000 is $4,350. The next thing they want to know is the amount of the mortgage. So the amount of the mortgage is going to be the difference between the down payment and the cost of the condo. 87. The amount of the mortgage is going to be the difference here. The difference between the cost of the condo and the down payment, which is 87,000 minus 4,350. So the amount of the mortgage is going to be for $82,650. A point is a one-time charge is equal to 1% of the loan. So 1 point is going to be 0.01 times 82,650, or $826. And then they ask us to round it to the nearest whole dollar, which is 827. Okay. The next thing they ask us to find is the monthly payment. Okay. So I have my payment formula here. My P, my R, my T, and my N. Monthly payments, so N will be 12, and T is for 30 years for the mortgage, and my rate is at given at 9.5%. So you plug into our formula here, and then they ask, I get $694.96, and they ask you round to the nearest whole dollar. That one. Then the last part, they ask us to find the total cost of the interest over 30 years. So what we have to do here is find out, they're asking us how much interest are they going to be paying on the mortgage. Okay, so we know that their payments are going to be, with the interest included, monthly, is $694, not 0.96. So they'll be making how many payments? 360 payments for 30 years times 12, 360 payments. Okay, so they'll be paying back $250,188. So the amount of interest they'll be paying is the difference. The amount of interest they'll be paying is the difference between the mortgage and the amount they're paying back. That tells you they'll be paying back approximately $167. And I have 538 here. Let's see here. If you notice, I didn't round in my answers here, so I didn't round in my answers. So mine are a little bit less.